IRender SU includes an auto reflection feature accessible from the toolbar. This feature enables you to set up reflection characteristics for multiple materials and have them applied automatically based on material name pattern matching, potentially saving you a lot of time. So how does auto reflection work? Well, to turn auto reflection on or off, click the Use Auto Reflection checkbox. Once auto reflection is on, it stays on until you uncheck the checkbox. Any materials in your model with names that match the list of word patterns and for which you have not already set specific reflection values will render with the preset reflection values you see. Note that auto reflection only works on unedited simple materials. They are not applied to any material that has already been edited either by using our material editor or having a material preset applied, or having been placed from the IRender SU library. Let's see an example. You can see the word wood in the list. If I switch wood on, auto reflection will apply the settings you see to any unedited material in my model that includes the word wood. Wood can be anywhere in a material name. The reflection values for intensity, sharpness, index of refraction, and bump are preset, but you can adjust them to your taste. For example, you can specify that all material names that match the pattern metal will be 90% reflective and metallic. Let's go ahead and look at a rendering with auto reflection off and no reflection set to individual materials, and now having turned auto reflection on. You can use a subset of the name pattern in your auto reflection list by checking or unchecking the on checkbox. This saves you from deleting entries from the list and potentially having to reinstate them at a later date. The first word from the auto reflection list that matches is used. As an example, if you have a material named tile, wood on wall, wood is the first match because it is listed before tile in the material pattern list. You can move names in the list by right-clicking on a name and using the resulting dialog to move up or down, or you click on the pattern you want to move, then use the arrow buttons to move patterns up and down the list. You can add new pattern names with your own reflection settings either at the bottom of the list by left-clicking in an empty line below the last name, or by right-clicking on an existing name and from the dialog that appears, selecting either Insert Before Name or Insert After Name. Clicking the Defaults button restores the default materials that were provided when you installed the software, but may have been deleted when using the function. Example: if you deleted the default material gold, then decided you want to add it back, you can do so by clicking the Defaults button. The gold default will appear at the bottom of the list. In summary, if you turn on auto reflection, any simple unedited materials in your model with names that match the list of material pattern names and for which you have not already set specific reflection values will render with the preset reflection values from auto reflection. Give auto reflection a try and see how you get on.